Good morning to everyone, my dear children. Today, let us take workbook. Worksheet number 5, The Silver Turtle. Page number 32. Page 32, The Silver Turtle. It is a link lesson, my dear children. Link lesson from the chapter A Funny Thing Happened. Now let us read the story first. Then afterwards I will explain to you. The Silver Turtle. Tarun was happy today. It was a holiday and he was on the beach with his friends. He played in sand and water throughout the day. Sometimes he dashed towards the waves and sometimes he just ran on the shore with a kite. Soon it was night time. Tarun had gone too far, chasing the waves. It was a full moon night and the sea looked beautiful. It looked as if someone had spilled silver color all over the sea. I wish I could walk on the waves, said Tarun to himself and sat down on the shore. Suddenly, he saw a massive silver turtle swimming towards him. He ran towards the turtle and tried to catch it. But what came in his hands was silver sand. It sparkled under the full moon. Before Tarun could think of anything, he felt some water droplets on his face. Tarun, you are late for school again, shouted his brother. Tarun opened his eyes slowly and saw his brother standing near him, smiling with a glass of water. And then he thought about the silver turtle. He quickly sat up and looked at his hands. There was a bit of silver sand sticking to his fingers. So, my dear children, it is a very beautiful story. It is a link lesson from the chapter A Funny Thing Happened. So, here there is a boy whose name is Tarun. So, this particular boy was very happy because when you have also holiday, you also feel very happy. Similarly, this boy was very happy because he had holiday. See, first paragraph you see, Tarun was very happy. It was a holiday and he was on the beach. This seashore, at the bank of the sea, or you can see bank of the. So Tarun had gone to the seaside or to the seashore or to beach. So it was holiday and he was on the beach with his friends. So he wanted to enjoy. Therefore, this particular boy Tarun had gone with his friends to the shore to enjoy. Now, what happened to him? Let us see. He played in sand and water throughout the day. So he played with sand and water. Sand and water. So what can he do? He had no other option than to play with sand and water, because at the shore the sand will come along with the water, and he got plenty of sand at the beach, and then water was also coming and going, because there were tides, high tide and low tide. So water was coming at the bank or at the edge or side of the sea. So he was enjoying himself there. Next day. Throughout the day. Here throughout the day means whole day. Throughout the day means whole day he enjoyed there, and he was playing continuously there. Throughout the day. Throughout the day. Whole day he was at the shore, at the seashore. Now let us see. Sometimes he dashed towards the waves, and sometimes he just ran on the shore with a kite. So sometimes he dashed towards the waves. So the wave was coming, or the waves were coming like from the deeper side, and then they were coming to the shore. So he dashed. So he was dashed. Actually, he was pushed by the wave. So he was dashed towards the wave, and sometimes he just ran on the shore with a kite. So he had a kite also. So he had taken his kite also. So he was dashed means pushed, or dashed towards the. So he was pushed, and then he started playing with his kite also. So he was whole day at the seashore and then enjoying. Sometimes he was pushed by the waves, and then sometimes he was running with the particular kite which he had taken for playing. Now what happens is, soon it was night time. Then it was night time. It was dark. Night time, dark. Night time. Already it was dark. So already it has become dark. Now what can you do now? Let us see next time. Tarun had gone too far chasing the waves. So he was chasing the wave. Chasing the waves means he was just following after he was running behind the waves. Chasing, running behind the waves. So he had gone too far. Now what to do now? So Tarun had gone too far chasing the waves. In the sea, you can see the rippling of water or the waves, the movement of water. You can see waves in the sea. So it was very difficult for this particular boy called Tarun, because he had gone very far, and already it is night now, and then he will be in problem now. It was a full moon night, and the sea looked beautiful. It looked as if someone had spilled silver color all over the sea. So, my dear children, whole seaside or the bank of the sea was looking very, very beautiful. It was looking in silver color. My dear children, I will continue again in my next class. Thank you very much to everyone. We will meet again in the next class.